Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to archive unused apps in Play Store. And now let's dive right in. Now to archive unused apps on Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this menu appears, tap on the settings option at the bottom of the screen, just above help and feedback. And over here again at the top you can see the general option. Tap on the general option at the top of the screen, and over here after you have tapped on this option you can see a bunch of menu appearing where you can see it says just above the interest automatically archive apps, and it also says apps you use rarely will be archived when your storage runs slow. Make sure the toggle icon is turned on for that option, and with that being done, guys, your unused apps in your phone will be archived on Play Store. And there, guys, this is how to archive unused apps in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.